So let's see what's going on with me today. Right now I'm just having breakfast. I'm making myself a homemade egg muffins. So it's not fat, it tastes good, and it's my other choice of breakfast besides cereal. I eat egg muffins that I made at home. I think it's a lot healthier, and it's a lot of protein for the body. And see what I make. This is what I made: egg muffin. I put it in a little ring and make a little circle. And now I have half of my what you call bread for the egg muffin egg, and I have a bowl of fruit with the cantaloupe, pineapple, and mango. So that's pretty much. Let's see what today I'm gonna have a meeting with my publicist. So she's gonna help me to go through my stuff and how to promote myself and get myself out there to get jobs, and just stuff that I need to do to get myself out there for booking and casting. And she will help me to organize and networking with other people, and I don't know, it's just a thing that she know best how to get me going on this tag career. So I'm gonna finish my breakfast now, and I want to go to the city and meet up with her, and we'll go from there. It's gonna be exciting. It's the first time I meet her, and I'm excited what she's gonna show me, and we're gonna have a lot of work. I'm excited. So pretty much just I gotta talk to you later. Bye.